There goes another day out of Ozello. Beautiful morning. You got a mud minnow?
No, I got a shrimp.
They're right there. 1 o'clock. 2 of them. 25 inches. Oh, I just spooked him. He's right there.
Yep, I see him.
Big fish. We need a mud minnow on there. You got a mud minnow? Oh, that's definitely gonna scare him. Yeah.
Try to get off.
Yeah, you don't want to throw corks at him when you're sight fishing. Oh, he's right there. Dude, that's a 30-inch fish. That's a slot snook right there. I need to get a live bait on. Stop doing it. Grab a fresh mud minnow. Oh, I got him. Little tiny redfish. That's funny. And look, there's the big one right there. You got a mud minnow already? There's a big snook sitting right there. I'm not even paying attention to this little redfish I just caught. Look, he's just sitting there looking at us. You got a mud minnow? Oh, he just took off. Oh, there goes that. That's a giant fish.
Loosen it? Them things are really comfy. As soon as I sat down in it, I was like, wow.
That's a fish, dude. Hook him. Alright, keep it tight. Make sure you reel as fast as he's coming toward you. It's not a big one.
Not huge.
No, keep him coming toward us.
It is a red dude.
No, it's a drum. Small eater sized drum.
That's alright.
That's the perfect dinner size. They put up a good fight for how small they are.
Yeah, you kind of took the whole thought of coming back here at all.
Yeah.
Oh, that's got stripes on there.
Yeah, that's a good eating size. A good 16, 17 incher. Bring him in. What are you doing? Quit playing with him.
I don't want to lose him out.
He ain't that big.
We're trying breaking our luck here, man.
He ain't that big. Oh, can't even see him now.
Oh yeah.
Little guy. The ones we caught yesterday were like this.
Really? Oh, I seen that picture.
It's a good fish. Doubled up. Some good fish. You got a good one?
Yeah, about the same size.
Alright, you guys are eating good now. I told you when you get the first one on the boat, your luck's gonna change. There's no stripes on that one. No, it is a drum. It's a drum with no stripes.
Oh, he's going towards the motor.
Quit playing with him. Tell him where to go. Bring him in. There you go. No stripes. That is weird.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a pile of them. Alright, doubled up again. There's a pile of them. Those are the perfect size ones too.
One of those 30 pounder ones.
We might need bigger shrimp for that. That's a bigger one. That's the biggest one. Now we gotta hurry up and get him back out there. Smaller fish. Oh, you got one of them tiny sheephead too.
Oh. How How big do they gotta be?
Not a lot bigger than that.
Oh.
That thing is tiny.
Well, listen, by the videos, they all look huge.
That thing is tiny.
I've been wanting to see one of their teeth and all that.
Oh, this is another sheephead. This is a bigger one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a keeper. Yeah.
Look at you just jerk that thing up.
There you go. Get you on video. There he goes. Little guy. That one's barely a keeper. That might not even be a keeper.
That's a cool fight.
This is more fun than red fishing. Oh, we both just hooked one. Like, you know when the school rolls in.
We'll come down here. Which means going to turn around.
Which fish is which? You must have a bigger one.
Yeah.
You don't even need the net for these little guys. Probably just flip them in.
I've never done that.
Yeah, just turn it. Yeah, just turn and flip. There you go.
I slowed it down for you.
You had no bites, and then out of nowhere, both of them go. Yeah, they're like right there.
You keep her
This thing's like a barge. Yeah, you can throw him in. He's 16.
Oh.
They only got to be 14. We'll probably just stop at 10. We don't want to catch all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you keep track? And
We're probably almost at 10. I mean, 10's plenty. We don't need to kill more than 10.
I'll cool with that.
We're just catching for fun at that point.
It's just funny that.
I don't want to kill the whole family of them.
Yep. You don't really want to help shit out one of these there. You get about somebody back here.
You get enough for a meal. I mean, you got plenty of food now.
That's great.
You're gonna have like 2 gallons full of meat. You're catching the big ones, I've noticed. This one's bigger than the other couple.
So he's about to
It is.
his butthole's puckering up.
That's a good size one. A whole pile of them in there. That's a bigger fish.
Over there sleeping on it.
He didn't even know he had a fish on.
I've seen him looking at his line. The last fish was so big, I didn't feel this one.
That fish is bigger. No, it's because we're dragging it around with fish.
Oh,
So it's confusing it. When every time you hook a fish, it confuses the trolling motor.
never knew that.
Well, because you're dragging the boat. They got one on too. That's crazy. Alright, so that's number 9. One more.
That's cool, man.
And technically that's y'all's limit anyway.
You're full yet.
Yeah, he screamed.
Down there, you come up here yet?
I have 2 giant fish redfish this morning.
That's a good sized drum.
That's it, probably just a big ugly.
Medium ugly. These aren't big ones. That's a 20-incher. That's a good one. That's a good fish.
Trying to turn it up.
Well, this is our last one we're probably going to keep anyways.
I need one more of them.
He's not done yet.
This is our 10th.
Well, I know the water temperature dropped down to like 60-something degrees.
But now it's 75 today.
Is it?
Yeah.
There goes a bunch of mullets that just ran through underneath it.
Nice little chubby guy.
Hey. That one down there croaking around.
I record you from the tower. This is where I should do the videos from, up here.
Yeah. Maybe get your camera mounts put up there.
What you got?
Moby Dick.
The monster? It is a big one. What do you guys need another one? Well, never mind. Ah, now we're talking. Better not freaking lose it.
He let go.
Oh my god.
Oh, he did.
Don't lose it. Let him run. Loosen your drag. It's a big fish. That's a big snook, I think.
No, it's right here.
Okay. You got a big snook. Dude, this is a slot fish. Keep him off the boat. Off the boat. Here, help him pull that trolling motor up. Keep him away from it.
Big red, it's a big red. It's a big red.
Keep him off the boat. There we go.
Right on, dude. Right on.
So weird watching you lose them twice. I was like, what just happened?
Well, they weren't keepers, that's why I went ahead.
What if I missed it on video? Hopefully I didn't miss it on video. But we just got another nice redfish. Add it to the box of drum. That is a big old cooler fish.